If you've ever felt lost in the sea of trading indicators, unsure which ones to focus on, you're not alone. The world of technical analysis can be overwhelming. To cut through the noise, I'm here to share the top 10 TradingView indicators that every serious trader should consider. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tools. These are finely tuned for precision, helping you craft profitable strategies that deliver real results. Let's count down from 10 to 1, building up to the ultimate indicator that's going to transform the way you trade. Starting off our list is a powerful tool offering deep insights into market sentiment and liquidity zones. The liquidity sentiment profile from Lux Algo brings a sophisticated edge to volume analysis. Unlike traditional volume indicators, which merely show the number of transactions, this one breaks down liquidity at specific price levels, making it easier to see where institutional investors place their orders. The right side of the chart shows the traded volume distribution, while the left side provides insight into market sentiment. By visually representing where buyers and sellers are concentrated, this tool helps you avoid unnecessary risks and identify key supply and demand zones. For traders who want a blend of price and volume analysis, this is an essential indicator that makes understanding liquidity much easier. At number 9, we have the Algo V1 by Kyle Algo. This tool is essentially an automated trading strategy in indicator form. It's built around Keltner channels and Supertrend, two robust indicators that generate buy and sell signals directly on your chart. What makes Algo V1 stand out is the way it applies 15 different exponential moving averages to smooth out signals, giving you a more reliable read on the market's direction. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, the beauty of this indicator lies in its simplicity. It's ideal for scalping, swing trading, and even longer-term strategies. Paired with oscillators or volume indicators, it can significantly enhance the precision of your trades by reducing false signals. Next on the list is the Power Trend Volume Range Filter by W.B. Bergen, an excellent tool for traders who focus on trending markets with high volume. Designed specifically for assets like stocks, crypto, and forex, this indicator shines on medium to higher time frames, such as the 15-minute chart. The Power Trend Filter takes a price and volume approach to trading, giving you a clear signal when an asset breaks out of its range and enters a new trend. One of the key benefits of this indicator is its ability to filter out false breakouts, which can plague trend traders. By aligning volume with price movements, it confirms whether the breakout is supported by market participation. This makes it an invaluable tool for trading trending assets, especially when you want to maximize your gains and minimize unnecessary entries. The Smart Money Oscillator by Chart Prime is a sophisticated tool that combines price action analysis with smart money concepts. Essentially, it tracks premium and discount zones, allowing you to see when the market is overbought or oversold. It's more refined than traditional oscillators like the RSI or stochastic, and it comes with built-in break of structure BIOS and change of character CH markers. This oscillator excels at identifying divergences between price and market sentiment, making it an ideal tool for spotting trend reversals. It helps you time entries and exits based on where smart money, i.e., large institutional investors, is positioned. If you like to trade based on the behavior of big players in the market, this tool is a game changer. At number 6, we have the Order Blocks with Real-Time Fibonacci by QuantView, a next-level tool for traders who rely on smart money concepts and Fibonacci retracement levels. This indicator automatically highlights order blocks, which are price zones where large institutional orders are placed, while also plotting real-time Fibonacci levels. The magic happens when the price retraces to a Fibonacci level within an order block, presenting you with high probability trade setups. For example, if the price pulls back to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement within a bullish order block, it's often a perfect opportunity to enter a long position. This indicator helps you avoid chasing trends and instead focus on catching high quality retracements. The Smart Money Structure Indicator, developed by Zierman, is another gem for those who follow the Inner Circle Trader methodology. This indicator maps out the market structure by identifying where institutional money is moving in and out of positions. It does so through breaks in market structure and by drawing demand and supply zones based on institutional buying and selling activity. This tool excels at helping traders identify where the market is likely to reverse or continue a trend, thanks to its focus on on-chain channels. It's particularly useful when you want to align your trades with the smart money, helping you catch large moves without getting whipsawed by short-term noise. Coming in at number 4 is channels with patterns, another exceptional tool from Chart Prime. This indicator automatically detects price channels, which are crucial for understanding trend direction and potential reversal zones. It also filters out candlestick patterns like bearish engulfing or doji, allowing you to see when a key pattern occurs within a trend channel. One of the best features of this indicator is its ability to estimate future price movements based on channel trends. By projecting price channels from pivot points, it gives you a clear idea of where the price is likely to go, offering you more confidence in your trades. If you like to trade based on patterns within larger trends, this is the indicator for you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help us reach more trading enthusiasts just like you. Our channel is known for delivering proven strategies with real backtesting results to guide you through the complexities of trading. Plus, we offer a free trading course for beginners that covers everything from A to Z. By supporting us, you're not only helping us grow, but also ensuring we can continue providing high-quality content for traders at all levels. The Imbalance Algo by Ember Trader ranks 3rd on our list and is particularly impressive for its accuracy on specific assets like Solana, where it boasts a win rate of over 90%. This algorithmic indicator provides straightforward buy and sell signals, complete with built-in stop losses and take profit levels. What sets it apart is its versatility. Whether you're trading crypto, stocks, or forex, this tool adapts to the market conditions, offering consistent performance. Another standout feature is its ability to adjust sensitivity based on market conditions, allowing traders to fine-tune it according to their preferred trading style. Whether you're a scalper or a swing trader, this indicator is your go-to for reliable signals. Second place goes to the Orb Algo Opening Range Breakout by Flux Charts. This indicator is designed to capture explosive moves that happen at the start of trading sessions. By analyzing the opening range, it generates buy and sell signals based on where the price breaks out. It's particularly effective on shorter time frames like the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute charts. One of the most useful features is its ability to backtest performance directly within TradingView. This allows traders to see how the indicator would have performed historically, giving you the chance to tweak your settings before applying them in real-time trading. For those who love capturing big moves early in the day, Orb Algo is a game changer. As for the last indicator, if you're looking for a unique, simple, yet effective trading strategy based on just one powerful indicator, make sure to check out the recommended video that's now on your screen. This video will walk you through a complete strategy that cuts out the complexity and focuses on one key indicator, giving you clear and actionable signals. Click the video to see the strategy in action. It's perfect for traders who want precision without having to juggle multiple tools. Watch it now and take your trading to the next level. So there you have it, the top 10 TradingView indicators to take your trading to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, each of these tools offers unique insights that can help you craft a winning strategy. Give them a try and watch your trading improve.